Every citizen of India knows that we have a conflict with China since 1960s. On 15th and 16th night of June 2020, our 20 soldiers martyred due to the ambush of China. Now we are seeing a lot of things in the news regarding the action of the government, not giving adequate supplies to the army, etc., etc., etc. In the last 70 years, Indian army was neglected by many previous governments and were not given adequate supplies. In the recent past, we are seeing a lot of infrastructure development in the northeast and in the entire border of our country. This is naturally creating a lot of anger to the China, and China did this ambush. Every government failed to provide adequate supply to the armed forces and the necessary support to the armed forces. This is the time we all should unite in the better interests of the country. In news channels, we are seeing a lot of news getting circulated that if India lost the land to China, and no one is uttering the word our country. In fact, our country did not lose even a single inch of our land to our opponent. Yes, our soldiers got martyred, but at the same time, more number of opponent soldiers were also killed in the same incident. Many of the people, they are not talking with the sense our country, our country. This is very strange. And few of the people, they went ahead and they are saying that Modi should be defeated. What do you mean by this? Modi is the Prime Minister of our country. Whether you voted to BJP or you voted to Congress is nothing a matter here. It doesn't matter to whom you have voted here. When our country is in crisis, we all should stand united and should stand with the government and should give all support. The trade unions have banned to procure any items from China. Every citizen is taking an oath not to purchase anything from China. Even the government of India is also started cancelling the projects that are awarded to the Chinese companies. Remember that in a warlike situation, Prime Minister Modi is India and India is Modi. If Modi is defeated means India is defeated, that means our country is defeated. We should stand with our PM and with our country and with our soldiers that we should win the war in all the forms, not only in the combat war with weapons, and also with the economic war and in the industrial war. Remember that defeating Modi is defeating India. Once again, I am reiterating that. The citizens of India wants to see the victorious India, not the defeated India, which happened in 1960s. Nation first and politics next. Support the government in all the forms and set aside the political agenda. We are one. We salute our heroes. Jai Hind.